Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to set your time zone on BeReal. So right now I'm on BeReal's discovery page and we need to click on the top right corner on the icon that has the first letter in your nickname on the app. So we're just gonna click on it. And this brings you to your memories. And on the top right corner, you can see 3 dots, and that will bring us to your settings. So we're going to click on those 3 dots. And as you can see, there are a lot of options here. You have memories, notifications, time zones, and we're going to stop there. Under notifications, you're going to click on the time zone. And here you can change it. And I've already changed my time zone today, but all you have to do is select a time zone and click save, and that's how you change your time zone. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys!